All right, hey everyone, here we are back for a tournament here. This is going to be all par threes. This one specifically is Torrey Pines hole 3 par 3. And you can see with the wind that we get, we're a little bit in between clubs. So I'm not going to just go ahead with power 0 here. So one of the things that you'll want to do is maybe play your balls strategically depending upon the winds that they give you. So here you can see we're going to be able to power 1 up. So if I want to basically not count my rings, another thing that you can do is you can start your setup. So for instance, up here, I'll show you what I kind of mean here. So I'm going to start my adjustment with Mojave. It looks like even that's a little bit short. So as you can see, it looks like this would come up about 1 full ring short, like this. So first off, let me just kind of talk about the adjustment. So keep in mind that the rings that I'm about to adjust, they're still going to be 1 short. But what would I typically go with a Spectra 4? I'm thinking 1.4 per ring. So at 1.4 per ring, maybe 4 rings. So that's maybe just a tad more than 4. Now, keep in mind, this adjustment here is 1 ring short. So what am I going to do here? I'm going to pull this up 1 ring, right around, and you can see where I'm pulled to. So now I've essentially done the shot adjustment. Now, let's say I'm to switch and go down to Spider now. So this is going to be a less power ball. But you can see it's not going to change my line. So I can still aim at this exact spot without my shot being changed. Because the wind stays the same. It's still a 25 reduction ball, but it's less power. And you can see, the power number, you can see from the beginning of the shot where it was. So this is just kind of like aiming kind of 101, and let's just see how this shot plays out. If I did everything right, this should at least be in the ballpark of the hole. It's hard because we never really got to set the target up exact, so we had to just kind of wing it a little bit. But with all things considered, this should still come in reasonably close, and sure enough it does. It even backspins away from the hole. So if we just got that a tad bit deeper, had a chance to backspin that one in. So you can see with the way that we got to adjust that one, which was kind of like a special way of adjusting. And these are the kind of things that you want to be fundamentally paying attention to and learning the progression as to kind of how to aim and manipulate your balls, because especially in this par 3 cup, we're going to have to do a lot of that. So you'll see we have to do a lot of that, in between and whatnot. So here's Bannister Springs number 2. It's going to be hole number 2. So good luck. I will see you guys on this one momentarily.